Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will explore how to set up a responsive header image within Weebly. If you are looking to improve your site's appearance with a header that adjusts perfectly to any screen size, you are in the right place. Let's get started with this step-by-step process. First, navigate to the Weebly homepage. Once there, find the login button and enter your email address and password. If you have misplaced your login details, Weebly offers simple recovery tools to help you get back into your account. After entering your info, click Login to access your main dashboard. From here, check the Overview section for a quick look at your website's performance. While you can manage many settings here, our focus is on the header. Click the Edit Site button to enter the visual customization area. Once the editor loads, go to the Theme tab at the top. This section is essential for defining your site style. Move your cursor to the bottom left and click on Edit HTML/CSS. This step is necessary to implement the responsive changes we need. Inside the code editor, look for the file named responsive.ls in the left-hand menu. This specific style sheet controls how your header and other components behave on different screens. Carefully search the code for the section regarding header height. Usually, this is set to auto, which might not look best on every device. You can customize this by changing auto to a specific pixel height that matches your vision. Be precise here, as the right dimensions ensure your header looks sharp on both phones and computers. If you aren't sure, try a few different sizes and check the preview. After making these edits, remember to click the Save button found in the editing panel. Saving your progress often prevents any loss of work. When you are satisfied with the responsive header, click Publish to push the updates to your live site. You have now successfully enhanced your Weebly site with a header that works beautifully across all platforms. A functional, well-scaled header provides a much better experience for your guests. Thanks for watching.